Yo, welcome guys. So this will just be a quick recap video on my trades I caught for today on BTC USD, ETH USD, and XAUUSD. So let's get straight to it. So let's start with BTC USD. So starting off from BTC USD, let's start from the 4 hours time frame to know why I took the buys. Now, as you can see clearly on the 4 hours time frame on BTC USD, you can see that market is very bearish. So you'll be wondering, why am I taking buys when I know that market is very bearish? So now let me explain why I took my buys. Now from this level right here, you can see that this is a break of structure right here, and this is another break of structure right here. And when price cleared this inducement level right here, this trendline liquidity right here, you can see that price created a new break of structure to the downside, making it giving us the confirmation that market is still bearish. Now, as we all know, market moves in what we call lower highs, lower lows when moving in bearish scenario, right? Meaning price cannot just keep on dumping, price will still keep on retracing to some certain levels. Now, if you can see right here, after our break of structure right here, we had what we call inducement right here. And you know that for price to continue selling, price needs liquidity. So price needs to come and take out this inducement before tapping into this other block, and before we can get a sell to the downside, before we can continue our sales to the downside. Now, after knowing that price needs to take out this inducement level, then I now went to my lower time frame on the 30 minutes time frame to now go and look for what we call reversals, for us to now clear this trend line liquidity. Now, if you come to the 30 minutes time frame, time frame, you can see that this is a market structure shift right here. Let me mark it out for you guys. This was the market structure shift right here, right? This was a market structure shift. Now, if you watch the recent video I made on reversal patterns, then you understand that when looking for reversals, you need to look for your market structure shift, your inducement, and your point of interest for you to confirm that your reversal is valid. Now, after getting this market structure shift, you can see that we got my inducement right here, which this is my inducement right here. And after inducement, we want to pick our point of interest. Now, which point of interest was the closest to inducement? This other block right here. So I picked my other block and set my stop loss just below the other block, and targeted the inducement level on the 4 hours time frame that we're expecting to take out, right? Set my take profit at the inducement level that we're expecting to take out. Now, I shared this trade out to my free Telegram channel. Now, but unfortunately for us, price already moved up. We were already in massive profit. Then when price spiked down like this, I told my Telegram channel people to close, because of I know that this trade in particular is a risky trade because of the market trend is bearish, and for us to be taking a buy, that's a counter trend trade, meaning it's kind of risky. That was why I told them to take profit. But now price is already back in profit, right? I also closed. So with my Telegram channel and me, we closed the trade. But now price is back in profit. This was so painful, but nothing I can do, because I was just trying to play safe. Now, one thing in my rule is that I must not close any trade, no matter what. It must either be TP or SL. So this is like a consequence I'm paying for disobeying one of my rules. So let's just go to ETH/USD. That's that on BTC/USD. So now on ETH/USD, I had something similar, because if you know ETH/USD and BTC, you know that they move in similar ways, right? ETH/USD tends to follow what BTC is doing. So now if you come to the 2 hours time frame on ETH, you can see that we are bearish there too. So why am I also taking buys? You can see that because I still expect price to come and clear this inducement level and tap into this other block. So we need buys to the upside. That was why I took this buys right here. Now let's just get straight into where we took this trade. So now, as you can see, we had our market structure shift right here, and right immediately after we got our market structure shift, we got our inducement right here, right? And after our inducement, we want to pick what our point of interest, and which point of interest was the closest. We had this breaker block right here, which was the closest. So price tapped into our breaker block, and where are we targeting? Remember I said we're targeting what? To take out this trend line liquidity right here, to take out this inducement on the 2 hours time frame. So I'm currently on this trade. I didn't close out on my ETH because price didn't come to break even, so I didn't close out. I'm still in this trade, but I didn't share with my Telegram channel because I only dropped 2 setups on my Telegram channel a day, and I already dropped BTC and gold for them. So that was why I didn't drop this one. So now I'm currently running around 6 RR now, but my full take profit is at 9 point something RR. So let's see what ETH does. So let's move to gold. So on gold, you can see that on gold now, which setup did I have? My setup on gold was a buy setup. I was expecting what? I was expecting buys from this other block right here, right? I was expecting buys from this other block right here, and this was what? This was my inducement level, and this was what? This was my what? My market structure shift. Because remember what? Is a reversal trade, right? Like I said, as you can see, market is bullish. Market is bearish. You can see that market is dumping to the downside. So I was expecting what? To take buys from this side for price to clear this high, because I was expecting that price should come to a POY around this level on the 4 hours time frame. That was why I was expecting buys. That was why I was expecting reversals. But unfortunately, what happened here? Price filled this level right here, filled this other block. This was the good setup I sent to my Telegram channel that ethusd. I was taking what? Sales from here. My stop loss was placed around this level, and what? My take profit was around this level here, around around 7 RR. So we hit SL on this trade. Then after hitting SL on this trade, that gave me confirmation that what? We are still very bearish on gold, so I should not be looking for buys. Now after knowing that we are still very bearish on gold, this is the other block that price filled. So price will want to what? Take out this low to create a new break of structure, since we are still bearish, right? So I looked for an entry to take out this low right here. This was a sharp scalp on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is a break of structure to the downside, and this is another break of structure to the downside, which this is a double break of structure. All right, this is a double break of structure to the downside. So, and after my break of structure, what did we want to see? We want to see what? Our inducement. As you can see, this was my inducement, and nearest POI to inducement was this breaker block. I picked my breaker block, set my SL just above it, and what? I'm targeting what? This low to get taken out. I'm targeting what? This low to get taken out, right? Targeting this low to get taken out. Why is this notification disturbing me now? I already turned on do not disturb. So I'm targeting what? This low to get taken out, right? So targeting this low to get taken out now. I'm currently running in about 3 RR, but my full take profit is 10 RR. So in total, I shared out BTC and this gold buy for them on the Telegram channel, and I'm currently running on gold, this gold sell and that BTC buy. So let's just see how it goes. Now, for those that want to join my Telegram channel, right, you can just come to Telegram. This is the name right here. Just come to Telegram, search Musashi's winning team on Telegram channel, and you have access to my Telegram channel. This is where I drop my market bias, my market insights, and what? Free signals. So previously I had a Telegram channel, but I don't, for some reasons Telegram took down my old channel of about 200 and something subscribers. But now I just opened this one yesterday. So if you want to join, because some people have been asking me that what happened to my former channel, so I just opened this one yesterday. So if you want to join, you can just come to Telegram, search Musashi's winning team. Just, it's a public group. When you search Musashi's winning team, automatically you come out, then you'll be able to join, right? Or better still, you can just come to what? My YouTube. You can just go to my YouTube, right? And go to my YouTube page. Then on my YouTube page, just click on post, the post I made. Then you see this post that I made here. Telegram channel, join for free signals, market insights and market bias. Then you'll be able to see what the link here, be able to see the link of my Telegram channel. So basically that's it. Okay, let me show you guys my journal too. As you can see, this was the 2 trades I took today, right? So the 2 trades I've recorded on my BTC. So now this was the BTC trade. This was before what it played out, and this was what it was when I told them to take profit around this level right here. I told them to close out because of how market was spiking. And can you see that we closed at a little profit right here? So this is like break even. Then for this one, this was where we took loss on gold. This was the before the trade played out, and this was after when it hit the sell. So that's that on the recap. And I'm currently on what? I'm currently running on gold and what? And ETH. So let's see how gold and ETH goes. Hopefully we hit TP. Not even hopefully, we are going to hit TP by God's grace. So that's that on my recap on BTC, gold and ETH. So GG's guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys.